Hey Vibe coders, if you have to restart your server to fix a problem, you might have a memory leak. I'm going to talk about them, how you can address them when you're working with AI developing your apps. The Vibe Coding 101. Memory leaks. They're quite hidden and they don't give out error codes, so you don't really know when they're happening. But think of it like this. You have this whiteboard or board in your house where you stick on it little sticky notes for things that you need to do. And every day you put something on this board and you're like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go do the shopping. I've got to go pick up this. I've got to clean that. I've got to fix this. After a while, what happens? You notice that you're running out of room. Everything's fine because as it's filling up, because it's not like it's stopping you from sticking another sticky note on. There's still space to do it. But eventually there's going to be no room left to stick something on this board. You can think of the sticky note as memory that keeps filling up on your server, in your application, and never gets removed or released. The equivalent of that would be if you were to do one of the tasks that you put on this sticky note, but you didn't remove it from the board, which you technically should, so that you can make room for the next task that you need to do. If you're not removing these sticky notes, that's bad sticky note management, which equates to bad memory management. What's going to happen if you run out of memory or you fill up your memory in your server, in your application? Things are going to start to break. Now, the application has no space to work in some data that it needs to use at a certain point in time. That's going to cause problems, and you might find things slow down. You might find that the memory is getting purged only a little bit because it's trying to figure out what to do since it's almost full. Okay, I'm just going to restart this server and see what happens, and all of a sudden things are fine again. I've effectively cleared out the whole memory. It's like getting a whole brand new sticky board. But you haven't fixed the issue because you're just going to keep adding more sticky notes. When you're working with AI, you want to address memory leaks. And you want to have it analyze the code base and see where these memory leaks are coming from. Could it be, if you have a database, how you're using your variables in the database? In the application, could it be a long-running job that doesn't free up the resources that it uses after it completes? But that's where having a conversation with AI becomes extremely important about this. It is a hidden problem. So where do you go to go see if there's some kind of a memory issue? If you're hosting on someone like Vercel or Railway or whoever,